Hey Nitro Gang, what is up? Today we are looking at my Savage, HPI Savage SS with all these aluminum parts, and we are going to restore it in today's video, but first I'm going to make a rap about it. The Savage, it was the best in the game. Now it's just another dusty frame, abused, abandoned for almost a decade. There is 5 upgrades sitting right here. Finally, the track is something to fear. The Savage is back. The GOAT is here. Alright guys, Nitro Gang, so I'm going to get started on replacing the tires. Let's get wrenching. Alright Nitro Gang, so basically I completed it off camera because it was too much to do on camera and my camera was about to die, so be there. Alright guys, so this is basically what it looks like after it's finished. I couldn't fit the other wheels on it, so I put these on it. I hope you really liked the wrap. That was pretty good too. OS 21 engine, ton of compression, discontinued now. Pretty good. New shocks, everything. So, bye Nitro Gang, there's no receiver. Part 2 coming soon.